Big news now coming in. A drone has been spotted inside the Indian High Commission in Islamabad on Sunday night. Big news coming in this time from Pakistan. India has taken up the security breach with Islamabad. What exactly has happened? A drone was spotted inside the Indian High Commission in Islamabad, and the matter has been raised now with Pakistan. India has objected to the same, has taken up the security breach clearly with Islamabad. So that's the big news that are coming in. It is still a developing story. What we do know is that New Delhi has already raised the security concerns, because this is big news if the drone has been spotted in the premises of the Indian embassy. This has happened, of course, in Pakistan. And this is the first time for now, as it appears. And after Jammu Air Base faced the drone attack, and there was damage to the ceiling as well, now a drone being spotted inside the Indian mission in Pakistan. And the presence of drone has not gone unnoticed. It has been observed by of course, the officials there, and New Delhi has raised this concern. So a drone in the Indian High Commission in Pakistan, and New Delhi raising it to the concerned authorities and have raised the objections as well. We're trying to get you more reactions on the same, because remember, this is big. Till now, there were only references to the drone threat for perhaps terror targets and attacks in India. The Border Security Force has been on the border, also ensuring that if there is any drone that is observed, either for surveillance or to drop payload or with the explosives or weapons, will immediately be countered or at least be notified with concerned authorities. But if a drone has been observed inside the Indian embassy there in Islamabad, in its premises, that's definitely a huge security breach. What was a drone role there inside the embassy, which is, remember, otherwise an extremely high security zone? I'm going across to our senior executive editor, Gaurav Sawant. He's joining me. Gaurav, this is big, because this is the first time that in a high security area like that of the Pakistan mission, to have a drone being observed.
This is a matter of serious concern. It is a breach of security. A drone was spotted in the residential complex of the Indian High Commission in Islamabad, and India has taken the matter up with authorities in Islamabad. In fact, a note verbal has also been issued since this is a major breach of security. This, the Indian High Commission in Islamabad is split into several complexes, and one of that complex, it's not a very big area, but one of that complex is the residential complex where High Commission officials stay. Remember, there is no High Commissioner in either country after 5th of August 2019, when both countries withdrew their High Commissioners, when the relationship was scaled down. But the fact that there is a breach of security is a matter of grave concern. This is where officials and their families stay. This has been taken up with Islamabad. That's point one. Point two, you'd also notice that similar activity has been noticed along the line of actual control. Just today, the BSF along the international border opened fire, and a Pakistani drone went back. That's point two. Point three, after the attack on the Jammu Air Base, several drones have been sighted in that area. 7 sightings in 4 days in Kunjwani, in Ratnuchak, in Kaluchak, and all of these are very sensitive military locations. And this, in fact, weaponized drones is an issue that India has also taken up at the United Nations General Assembly. Weaponized drones and terrorists getting access to technology.
Gaurav, for the benefit of the viewer watching this big breaking right now, do clarify for us that there is absolutely no business for a drone in any reason whatsoever to be there in the premises of the Indian High Commission or any high security zone, unless, of course, there's an official reason for it.
You're absolutely right, because this is sovereign territory.
Yes.
Any High Commission or embassy is sovereign territory, and nobody else, no foreign flying object can be like a drone, which is anyway seen as a major security threat, can be seen there. The fact that it was spotted, the fact that the matter has been raised with Pakistani authorities shows that India is not taking this lightly, and this does appear to be an escalation in terms of the threat. Are these intimidation tactics? What was the purpose? Who was flying these drones? Is it Pakistan's ISI? Was it inadvertent? All of this is to be investigated by the police in Pakistan and then subsequently share this information with Government of India. That hasn't happened just as yet, Pooja.
Gaurav Sawant with all the latest. Remember, drone is being spotted in the Indian High Commission premises in Islamabad. New Delhi has raised objections and concerns, but this could be big news, and we will continue to get you latest on the same. Why is this news so significant? It is because in the past few days, especially since the attack on Jammu Air Base, there have been sightings of multiple